What's up, home bartenders? Let's make 3 Christmas variations of the Espresso Martini that you can enjoy this holiday. Let's do it.
We're starting with the orange chocolate espresso martini, starting with a shot of fresh hot espresso. Don't let it cool, just use it fresh. All right, after that, an ounce of citrus vodka. This is a homemade citrus infused vodka. If you have an orange vodka or something, use that, but use regular vodka if you don't. It's not a big deal. Half ounce of homemade coffee liqueur. Make sure you check out that recipe. And then we're using a Mandarin Napoleon for our orange liqueur, but any brandy-based orange liqueur, Grand Marnier, dry curacao will work. Half ounce of creme de cacao. We're then going to give it a good shaky shake. And we're going to serve in a Nick and Nora. And you want to let that sit for about a minute so that separation happens and you get that nice crema. We're going to garnish with the obligatory coffee beans and an orange peel.
The chocolate orange espresso martini. I've actually had this one before, and I liked it. Orange and coffee go really well together. Orange and chocolate go really well together. This is an awesome combo. That citrus vodka works. You don't need the citrus vodka if you only have regular vodka. We still have the brandy orange liqueur. I really recommend using a brandy orange if you can. It'll work with Cointreau, but brandy, just that much better. The coffee comes through, orange. It tastes like one of those Terry's chocolate oranges with added coffee flavor. It's fantastic.
Up next, we have the Peppermint Espresso Martini, because you know I like to put peppermint in everything during the holidays. So start with your fresh espresso. We then have an ounce of vodka. Make sure to soak up that extra crema. We're then going to use half an ounce of our homemade coffee liqueur once again. Seriously, check out that recipe. And then we want 3/4 ounce of a peppermint schnapps. All right, give it some ice, good shaky shake. There it is. Serving once again a Nick and Nora. And here we're going to garnish with the coffee beans, but also some crushed candy canes. Why not?
The peppermint or candy cane espresso martini. Cheers. Yeah, up front you get the classic espresso martini, and then on the back end you just have this nice peppermint flavor. Very nice. Oh yeah.
Last up, we have the Gingerbread Espresso Martini. Once again, going with the fresh espresso. We're using vanilla vodka this time. Don't forget to soak up that crema from that shot glass. There it is. Using my homemade gingerbread liqueur, a full ounce of that stuff. It's amazing. Check out that recipe. Absolutely. And then a half ounce of my homemade coffee liqueur. Using lots of homemade stuff today. Okay, give it some ice. Give it a good shake. Serving once again in a Nick and Nora. We're going to garnish with some coffee beans. And if you have a gingerbread cookie, you can garnish with that as well.
The Gingerbread Espresso Martini. Oh, that's good. Kind of like the peppermint up front. Classic espresso martini. Get that nice rich coffee flavor, and then all those baking spices and molasses on the back end. Whew, that's good. Man, all these are fantastic. All right, let's rate our Christmas espresso martinis. In first place, I'm gonna give it to the gingerbread. I just love the addition of all of that molasses and baking spices on the back end. Add that to the coffee and it's just absolutely incredible. Make sure you check out my gingerbread liqueur recipe. Super easy to make. You can make it in 10 minutes. In second place, gonna give it to the chocolate orange espresso martini. I think that combo just works really well. The brandy orange and the chocolate and the espresso, just a great combination. And in last place, the candy cane or peppermint espresso martini. It's not bad. It's just of all the, come Christmas time, I like to pair peppermint with everything, and this is probably not my favorite one. Surprisingly, the candy cane Irish coffee works a lot better. I think it works just better with a warm coffee as opposed to a cold coffee like this, but still a really nice one. All of these are great. Christmas is just around the corner, so make sure you check all our Christmas recipes in this playlist right there. And if you haven't made your aged eggnog yet, make sure you check out this recipe because I'll show you exactly how to do it. We will see you in the next video. Cheers. Ooh, I'm wired now. Whew.